In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint's presenter view on a single monitor. Many people think this feature requires two screens, but you can actually use it perfectly well with just one, which is great for both practice sessions and live presentations. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and load your presentation. It's always a good idea to review your slides beforehand to make sure everything looks right before you begin. Next, go to the Slideshow tab in the PowerPoint ribbon at the top of the screen. You'll find it between the Review and Animations tabs. Here, you'll see options for how your slides are displayed. Click from Beginning to start your presentation from the first slide, or choose from Current Slide if you'd like to start from a specific point. Once your slideshow starts, look at the bottom of the screen for three dots. This opens the More Options menu. From there, select Show Presenter View. This activates Presenter View right on your single monitor. You'll now see helpful tools like your speaker notes, a timer, and a preview of upcoming slides, all in one convenient view. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Presenter View on a single monitor. Whether you're rehearsing or presenting live, this setup makes it easy to stay organized and confident while delivering your talk.